So, yes. Yeah.
The elements were limited. Only we are speaking only 5 elements, right? It's not talking about 5 elements. So it's only limited 5 elements.
Why?
5 elements.
Okay.
So only elements are only limited. We have only 5 elements.
See, dividing the existing reality into 5 is very arbitrary. Is very arbitrary. I can simply say the fundamental particle and the combination of those particles are everything. That's all. In Buddhist philosophy, they have it in 4. They don't change, they don't fire, they don't include. In science also is solid, liquid, gas, that's all. They have it 3. They divide everything into 3. Solid, gaseous, liquid. It's only very arbitrary. And fire, somehow the philosophy added fire. And scientists will say, the fire is there in everything. The temperature is there in everything. Why should you have it a separate entity? Not necessary. So that's only very arbitrary.